Hello and welcome to the Belfry Hotel and Resort. This is the conference area. Look at this! All the delegates have arrived and in about 5 minutes time the conference will begin. Stick with me and come check it out.
Well, it's starting at 10:30.
Oh, well, very soon.
Oh, not long.
What can we look forward to?
So we've got some really inspirational speakers.
Andrew, you're a speaker today at the conference. Tell me, are you excited?
I'm so excited. I'm opening the conference, no pressure, basically setting the scene, and what I'm going to be asking them all is, are they digitally curious?
Sarah, that was an amazing talk. Tell us a little bit about your career, real quick.
21 years in the Royal Air Force, flying most of the Puma helicopter, so combat helicopter. Think of me as a battle taxi driver. That
Wow.
is pretty much what I did.
For the people watching that might not be here in the room, what's today about?
Okay, so essentially, we want to build sustainable businesses for the future.
Yeah.
In the face of some really big challenges that we're having in the business and events industry.
One of the key things behind the MIA is community.
Been to the MIA conference for the past couple of years. It's always been really, really good opportunity to network and learn and take things back to our office.
Kind of the core behind the content this year is this whole Equipped to Excel theme. And in particular, we're trying to curate that content, be very delegate driven.
We as the Meetings Industry Association have gone strong on looking into research at people and performance because we believe in that triple bottom line of sustainability, people, profit, planet. And so we've come up with what the industry has told us, what their challenges are in people, what the industry has told us their challenges and performances are, and we've tried to curate a day where we give them some inspiration and then we give them our statistics and then they all get to discuss what they're doing.
So we have things like the content corners, and we're going to kind of dip into the insights, which is our bespoke research, our MIA insights that we do.
And then come back, we're curating a live panel from the audience to talk about what their challenges and solutions are so that everyone can feel inspired for everyone else.
You've done this, it's amazing, it's your first one.
It's my first one.
Well done, come on, let's have a high five.
Yeah.
You've smashed it.